If you're tired of limited fan speeds and fumbling with pull chains, the Westinghouse Lighting 7,787,200 ceiling fan wall control offers a simple upgrade that changes the game. This wall control unit transforms any 3-speed ceiling fan into a 4-speed powerhouse, giving you more airflow options right from your wall switch. Designed to replace a standard toggle switch, this control unit is sleek and easy to install. Thanks to its 2-wire setup, you can swap it in without rewiring your entire system. Plus, it comes with a clean wall plate that fits seamlessly into your home's decor, making it both functional and stylish. What sets this control apart is the 4 distinct fan speeds it offers: high, medium, and low. This range gives you precise control over airflow, so you can customize comfort throughout the day. No more reaching up to pull chains or settling for just 3 speeds that don't quite fit your needs. Compatible with most ceiling fan brands, this wall control unit offers versatility and convenience. Whether you're upgrading an older fan or want better control over a newer model, it's a straightforward solution that adds real value without complicated installation or extra parts. Users across the U.S. praise the Westinghouse 7,787,200 for delivering exactly what it promises. It looks good on the wall and works smoothly, making fan speed adjustments effortless. This simple switch upgrade is a practical way to enhance your home's comfort with minimal effort. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use fan control that expands your options and removes the hassle of pull chains, this unit is worth a look. It blends convenience, style, and functionality in one compact package, turning your ceiling fan into a more versatile fixture. Ready to upgrade your fan's performance? The Westinghouse Lighting 7,787,200 ceiling fan wall control makes it easy to enjoy more airflow choices and a cleaner wall switch setup. Try it when you're ready to make fan control simpler and more precise.